Welcome to the video tutorial about how to create table in layout sheets from CSV file in CAD Layout. Creating a table in generated layout sheets is made very easy in CAD Layout. The table content should be saved in CSV file, and the program will read the CSV data and create a table in the respective sheets. Prerequisites for creating table in CAD Layout. Create Table Settings CSV file and save in C drive/ESurvey/Temp folder. The file name should be table_setting.csv. Create table content of all the layouts and save in C drive/ESurvey/Temp folder. The file name should be content.CSV. Sample table_setting.csv file looks like this. Sample content.csv file looks like this. To create a table in layout sheet, the CAD Layout module has three commands: ctbl, dtal, dtcl. The command ctbl is used to create a table in each layout sheets as data given in the CSV file. The table settings for creating the table is shown. A table will be created in each layout depending on setting and content table values. The command dtal is used to delete all generated tables in all layout sheets. In case you want to delete all the tables created, use dtal command. This will be helpful when you want to recreate tables after generating it once. The command dtcl is used to delete the automatically created table in current layout. Thank you for watching this video. In the next to help topic, you will learn how to delete multiple CAD layout related layers, layout boxes, and update content in the generated layouts.